Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammed Shehzad. Today we are going to make a greeting card cover with the palm tree and seaside. For that we need 20 round dia, cooling tool, two types of cooling tool, glue and some multicolor strips. So first of all friends, we will start from the main branch of the palm tree. For that we need 297 strip. We have to press in the middle, then again we have to get the almost middle, but we have to make the base of the tree and we have to make the joint with the glue at the top side. We make the main branch of the tree. Now we have to make the green side. For that we need 297 strip also, the green color. We have to make it tight roll with the cooling tool and extend it in the 20 round dia, you can see, and put the glue in the one corner and press from the one side. The other side you have to keep it just like a round shape. And this all of the green branches we have to make the same stuff and same size. So now we have to make the waves of the tree. For that we have to use 297 blue strip from one side. We have to make little round, then take the opposite side and make round with some steps, as you can see. This in upper side you have to take the round, make the waves of water like this. Keep moving until complete the full strip of 297 and it's almost finished. So we complete the wave also. Now we have to make the foot of palm. You have to make the round bigger size of around 4 size of round, and put the glue at the end. It's just like a shape of fruit. Black one we have to make the base of the tree, so we have to make it a tight roll. Keep extend until it can from one side, other side you have to press and make the shape of that one. For bird we need 17 strip. We have to press in the middle, then we have to two sides press opposite side like a shape of M. It make the bird. Also the small of the parts green side we have to use the 37 strip, 35 strip. Keep extend it same, put the glue and press from the one side. So friends, we got the stuff. So now let's get started to keep the stuff on the greeting card cover. So finally friends, we got our stuff and let's get started to put the stuff on the greeting card. First we have to put the waves on the card, then we have to put the base and the main part of the now we need 3 for each. Same we have to do another side. Put the stuff. I'm not putting the glue because if I put the glue it will take more time. That's why, for your information, just doing without glue. Last time, I hope it will take less time. Same. And put the green bushes downside. Also in other side. And birds on the top side. Sorry. So finally, friends, we complete our greeting card cover, the palm trees for summer. So I hope you like a video. If you like a video, please comment below the video, share the video and subscribe our channel. So until next video, friends, stay blessed, Allah Hafiz, and keep supporting our channel.